I want to remove a check engine light on this 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and the device I have to access to remove the engine code error is not communicating with the vehicle. Could be a blown fuse or something, but I'm going to try a different way, disconnecting the battery and pulling it out of there for 25 minutes, both the positive and negative. And this will be a video on how to do that and remove the battery from the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The battery on this Jeep is located beneath the passenger seat. So I'm going to push the seat all the way forward. Pull this cover off. Here's a 10mm socket out of my basic socket set. I'm just going to loosen this nut. On the negative terminal without touching any other metal, without touching anything besides that nut. So I disconnected it. Now for safety, because if you do this wrong you'll have fireworks basically. I'm just going to tie it back with this twine I have that's non-conductive. Now to get to the positive cable, I'm going to have to remove these two nuts down there that provides a brace for the battery. To remove the bracket that secures the battery, it's a 13mm, I believe. I have two nuts, 13mm. And the bracket. Now we can slide the battery back to get to that positive terminal. The back nut here. That one in the front is stubborn. There is a washer. No. So now I'll tuck that cable up there. Now the battery should come out. Alright, we have the replacement battery. Or it's the same battery. This battery's not bad. Gently slide it up there. And I was always taught to remove the negative cable first and the positive cable last. And then when I'm installing the battery, I would go with the positive cable first, then the negative cable last. However, do this at your own risk. Just making this for entertainment purposes. Now I'll push the battery forward into position, find the mount. I'll do the negative cable, it'll be the last thing I do. Push it forward. Just hand thread these nuts in there a few times. So I'll push that bracket as far forward as possible. Should be good. So I'm going to untie this negative cable. You'll probably see sparks. I'm going to make sure I'm not touching anything else. A little bit of smoke. I don't recommend anybody doing this that doesn't feel comfortable, because it could be risky. It's that 10mm socket with the ratchet and a 3/8 extension. I'm not going to do it super tight. Check the terminals. They're tight. Battery's in there. And I'm going to push this down and slide in this little cover, and then we'll just test it. Rid of the engine check light. I would recommend leaving the terminals positive and negative disconnected for 25 minutes. And you'd have to find some way to do it safely, because you have to pull the battery out to get to that positive terminal on this model vehicle, the Jeep Cherokee. Let's see if the check engine light is gone. No check engine light. Alright, well, if this helped you anyway, consider hitting the like, or not even that, just subscribe. It's not going to hurt anything. Be helping out the channel. Thank you.